That's it, man. It's game over. You need to exit your crypto because America's killed it completely. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying live here in Dubai, hoping that crypto won't die. Obviously, it's not dead. But anyways, we're going to be talking about that and more in today's episode. We're going to be showing you about why someone has said that crypto is dead in America. And we're also going to be talking about the Twitter checkmark of gold and then moving into trading and so forth. So yeah, it's going to be an exciting episode. We're going to look at what we're going to do with this Bitcoin price at 27.5 and Ethereum at currently 1834. This is like ridiculously discounted prices, and we need to know what to do next. So make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end for that, and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. And also, if you're interested in trading, head over to okx.davincij15.com or bybit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. All right, let's jump right into it. But first, we're going to talk about a DAVITAR, right? As you know, I have my own NFT collection, and it's just mostly for you diehard supporters of DaVinci J15. There's 915 of them available. And if you, as of the 15th of this month, you can come and get the rewards. And so you can, like, if you have a follow back property of your DAVITAR, you could request the follow back on Instagram or on Twitter if you like, with the follow back DAVITAR. So if you're interested in getting me to follow you on any of my social medias, you can do so by getting one of those NFTs and collecting that reward. Okay, crypto is dead in America, says longtime Bitcoin burger Chamath Palayapatiya. Oh, man, I'm never gonna get his last name, but whatever. So I'm gonna just call him Chamath. Anyways, he's calling for Bitcoin to climb to 200,000. Okay, yeah, that's a walk in the park. At least, at the very least, Bitcoin should make it to 150K at the lowest end possible for the next bull run. But yeah, 200K for the next bull run is definitely doable. But crypto, he's saying crypto's dead, right? Because of, well, basically the SEC is like not providing any clarity on crypto. I mean, they're pointing the finger and saying everything is a security except Bitcoin. And it's like, wait a second here. Please help us out. You're not making any sense with this logic, right? Even stablecoins are security. Well, that doesn't make any sense either, right? Because nobody's buying it with the intention of stablecoin, with the intention of making more dollars, because you can't. You can lose dollars, but you can't make more dollars by buying a stable coin. So how could you call that a security? Anyways, it's ridiculous, the situation in the United States. And it's not going to get any better until, the government does something to say, okay, SEC, stop your nonsense. Slowly roll. But that's not the case. They're not going to do anything because they have, Operation Choke Point 2.0 going on, where they want to kill off crypto as much as they can. And it's working. Okay, so who on crypto Twitter choose not to pay for the blue check mark? Well, believe it or not, I do not have my check mark. I'm like not verified. Oh no, I could be a scammer. Oh my God, because I didn't pay $8 a month. I might be a scammer. I mean, it's ridiculous, right? Because then the problem is, right, that these blue check marks don't mean anything, right? Because anybody can get them if they pay $8. So I'm confused. How can you make this useful feature of determining whether or not I'm scamming or not if it's $8 and anybody can pay for it? I don't know. Maybe I should just get one of these, the golden ones, right? Because those things, even though you have to pay for them, it's quite expensive. It's I think it's like $3,000 or something like that, something ridiculous. I don't know. I just heard that from a friend of mine. I'm like, what? That's crazy. That's Elon Musk is really going to make some serious dollars if that's the case. I might be off on that number, so don't quote me on that. That would definitely indicate that you are someone special if you're paying that. If it's $3,000 per month, wow, that's definitely not. You're definitely not a scammer if you could do that. All right, so yeah, Elon Musk is he's a smart guy. All right, so what's going on with gold, right? How to buy gold hits a Google record as crypto investors chase the world's oldest asset. Oh, okay. Well, clearly they're giving up on Bitcoin and going to gold. Nah. Well, I mean, gold is looking like it wants to break out here. You can see that in this chart, this weekly chart, we've seen candle body closes well above the previous candle body, above the previous high candle body closes. So this is an indication that gold is about to rock and roll. I mean, it should have done that long ago. You know, of course, gold is managed, right? And if anyone wants to dispute that, we can pull up something on Google and help you realize that that's the case, okay? So, I mean, that dispute has been gone. I mean, I used to have long fights over people saying that gold was not managed, and I could point it out all the scam that's going on in the Crimex, and they still would refuse to believe that, wait a second here, the banks are doing an imbalance here with the market. And when it finally came out and broke in the news, right, all those people went silent. When they finally got caught with emails back and forth to each other, saying that they were like fixing the price of gold. Now it's like, yeah, we fixed the price of gold. Yeah, no problem. Nobody's going to charge us. Nobody's going to stop us. Now it's policy. Oh, damn. It's ridiculous. The world we live in today, it is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, if you were to go back in time and show people, yeah, see, there's evidence that the gold is manipulated and is illegally manipulated, but they're not charged for that anymore. They'd be like, what? What's going on? What's going on in the future? I don't get it. Oh, yeah. It don't make no sense at all. Our world is just upside down because, hey, you know what? If you're too big to fail, you get to do whatever you want. You get to commit crimes. That's the world that we live in. And you just have to accept it. All right, so let's get on to Bitcoin and see what they're manipulating the price down to. Right now, Bitcoin is like in a range. It looked like it was breaking down. I knew it was going to hold its range level here. I didn't do a trade yesterday because if you were following me on social media, a friend of mine has passed away. And yeah, so I was looking to find her family members and so forth to help them if they needed with anything. So yeah, so I didn't get a chance to trade, but hey, I will be doing some trading today and maybe post some trades in my Telegram group. So make sure if you're not part of my private Telegram group, you're going to see you should join us, and you'll be joining us on some cool trades, because I think Bitcoin is going to break down even further from here as well. Okay, so with that said, let's go down to a shorter time frame and see what we can see. You can see that, obviously, oh my goodness, there's just like M's everywhere. Let me just move this out of the way so that it doesn't. And what do we see here? Ugh. Oh, darn. M's everywhere. Yes, Bitcoin looks like a breakdown is coming very, very soon. So yeah, you have to accept that. It could, like, of course, you know, Bitcoin likes to go whoops and then break down. So you're going to have to be careful with your trades today or in the next few days. for this continuation dump here. Bitcoin looks like it's ready to go at least to the 25K, or well, starting at the 26, and then maybe as low as the 25.5 area. So that's where we're targeting. I'm gonna come up with the proper targets today for you guys in the group. So make sure that you're there. You just head over, if you want to join us, you could just head over to DAVITAR15.com and join us in the group. Okay. If you're interested in trading, remember to heading over to bybit.davincij15.com or okx.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. I've heard that Bybit is going to focus on KYC. That means you can sign up, but you're going to have to go through the whole KYC process in order to use Bybit at all. Whilst I do believe OKX does not have a KYC, you can use small amounts of money in OKX without a KYC is my belief there. Okay, let's head over to Ethereum. Yeah, the daily looks like we are breaking down. The target rate is still the same. 1824 is the next floor level. You can see that this is actually turned into resistance now. This price here, what is it? 1845. It is pretty much a walk in the park down here for Ethereum. We have like a little bit of a doji candle here. Not quite, but because it's got a huge body. But yes, you can see there is clear indecision in the previous daily candle. So breaking it down to the 4 hour, yes, a little bit of a fake out. The Bollinger Bands are tightening on the 4 hour. We're below the EMA ribbons, and yes, there is more downside to go for Ethereum. Lots of M's. If we go down to the hourly, just like Bitcoin, oof, brutal. We're below all the EMA ribbons, and bands are really tight. So a big move is coming for Ethereum. So we're going to be talking about that in today's chat room. So make sure that you're part of it in my own private group today. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for being here. Hope to see you guys next time, and peace.